Good afternoon, students. As tomorrow you will have your sessional exam of OB, so we are here for discussing the unit 3, unit 4 and 5 we have already discussed. So today we will discuss about the unit 3. So very quickly we will discuss the whole unit in this video lecture only. So the first topic of this unit is interpersonal behavior. Interpersonal behavior is basically the behavior between two employees in the organization. As we have already studied individual behavior, so interpersonal behavior is also very important in organization as it occurs between the two people for the context of relationship between the employees in the organization. The understand of own perception, knowledge and attitude, motivation, and how this affects one behavior to the self and with others. We have to understand how others behavior affect us, it also included in it. So after that, the effects of interpersonal behavior is leadership, teamwork, and networking that we have already discussed in the class. Interpersonal behavior characterized mainly by communication, emotional intelligence, and social skills. So social skills is how we are dealing with the people. Emotional intelligence means how we are making the emotional maturity while dealing with others. And the next is communication skills. Like we all should have good verbal and writing skills for communicating with others. That is an important pillars of interpersonal skills. Now after that, importance of interpersonal behavior, how we have to develop the interpersonal skills, communication and conversation skills, be a good listener, non-verbal messages, be open to topics, communicate ideas, think before speaking. Okay, so be positive, be complimentary, and remember names. When you are calling someone, then you have to remember by names. It creates a good interpersonal skills among the people. So, interpersonal communication is the next topic. Types of interpersonal communication is non-verbal communication, verbal and written communication. See, in non-verbal communication, it depends heavily on your actions, your gestures, how you are showing the gestures to others while dealing, postures of how you are sitting, how you are walking, how you are staring someone. These are the postures, movements and expression of our body. After that, formal conversation and letter, office memo, reports, etc. Informal conversation and formal communication like written or verbal, both included in it. Next, the important topic of this unit is TA, transactional analysis. When two people interact with each other, that they engage in a social transaction. As we engage, as you talk with each other, then it comes into the social transaction. It means one person respond to the other. So study of social transaction is called transactional analysis. Type of transaction, one is complementary, another is non-complementary. So here is two types of transaction we have in the organization. Complementary, to understand transaction analysis we must first understand the various states in which an individual is. So first is ego state, second is adult ego state, adult transaction, and the child ego state. This all we have discussed in the class also. Next important topic is transactional analysis, that is TA. A transaction is a basic unit of social interaction. The heart of transaction analysis is the study and diagramic of the exchange between two persons. Thus, where a verbal and non-verbal stimulus from one person is being responded by another person, a transaction occurs. So students, transactional analysis help us to determine कि एक इंडिविजुअल इस वक्त कौन सी ईगो स्टेट में है एंड कौन सी ईगो स्टेट उस पर हेविली इन्फ्लुएंस कर रही है, दैट वी अंडरस्टैंड बाय द ट्रांजैक्शनल एनालिसिस. लाइफ पोजीशन ट्रांजैक्शन एनालिसिस में 4 होते हैं. नंबर 1, आई एम ओके, यू आर ओके, you are okay, I am not okay, I am okay, you are not okay, I am not okay, you are not okay. So these are the basically 4 windows which we have to discuss for transaction analysis. One by one we will discuss about it. I am okay, you are okay, it means कि in this particular situation an individual is okay with others and others understand them also well. So he is in the good mental healthy position. Realistic people होते हैं, accept significance of others, they understand others also. Next is I am okay but you are not okay. Person feels victimized, so victimize others, blame others for their miseries. Criminals extreme होमिसाइड्स टाइप की जो लोग होते हैं, दे थिंक आई एम तो ओके बट पीपल आर नॉट ओके विद मी, आई एम नॉट ओके, यू आर ओके, फील पावरलेस व्हेन कंपेयर विद अदर, दे ऑलवेज फाइल डिमिनिश्ड इन कंपैरिजन ऑफ अदर्स, लीड्स देम टू विड्रॉ, टू एक्सपीरियंस डिप्रेशन, सर्व सीवर केसेस में दे आर वेरी सुसाइडल, मतलब दे ऑलवेज एस्केप फ्रॉम दी पोजीशन, आई एम नॉट ओके, यू आर नॉट ओके, लॉस्ट इंटरेस्ट इन लिविंग, एक्सट्रीम केसेस ये हो जाता है, द पीपल आर बेसिकली गुड फॉर नथिंग, दे डोंट वांट टू डू एनीथिंग, दे डोंट वांट टू एंगेज इन एनीथिंग. This we have already discussed. Advantages of TA: improve interpersonal communication, simple to learn, applicable to motivation, help in organizational development, and we can be used to home as well as in office. Now, one another important topic of this unit is leadership. So leadership is a process by which we can influence someone to get something extra. If a person is achieving 70%, so our leadership will not work until and unless we will not force him to achieve 80 or 90% at least. So leadership is the ability of a manager to induce the subordinate to work with the confidence and zeal, to put some confidence and zeal in someone, is basically a characteristic of leadership. It is a potential of influencing behavior of others. Definition of leadership: leadership is the art of influencing others to their maximum performance to accomplish any task, objective, or project. Leadership is the influencing process of leaders and followers to achieve organizational objectives through changes. Now, next is characteristics of leadership that we already discussed: importance of leadership, role of leadership, qualities of a leadership versus manager. So it is the important basis: manager and leader. Origin: a person become a manager by virtue of his position, but a person become a leader on the basis of his ability. मतलब management is a position which can be occurred by the virtue of the position. If you are having that much experience, that much qualification, you may be manager. For being a leader, you should have certain skills, certain abilities to be a leader. Managers has not formal right in an organization because of his status. Rights are not available to a leader. Followers: the subordinates are the followers of a manager. जो भी मैनेजर के सबऑर्डिनेट्स होते हैं, those who are working under him, they are their followers. But the group of employees from the leader leads are his followers. A manager perform all 5 function of management. Leadership influence only, he only lead the people. A manager is very essential to a concern. A leader is required to create cordial relationship between persons working in for the organization. It is more stable. Leadership is temporary. All managers are leaders, but all leaders are not managers. That is not always possible कि all leaders are good managers. Manager is accountable for self and subordinate behaviors. Leaders have no well-defined accountability. Leadership style: here we will discuss about 3 leadership style. One is autocratic leadership style. In autocratic leader of style, the leader is having the full authority, full command on his subordinate. Subordinates are not supposed to put themselves in the conversation or having any decision in the organization. They only have to do whatever is being provided to them by their managers or the leaders. उसके बाद में डेमोक्रेटिक टाइप्स ऑफ लीडर इन विच पार्टिसिपेटिव काइंड ऑफ लीडरशिप इज देयर. सो फॉलोवर्स आर entitled to be participated in the decision making, but that is not necessary कि their decisions will be implied. That depends upon the management or the leader only. Laissez-faire leadership style: here the leader have the totally trust on his followers, so he allow the followers to do whatever they want to do. Only he keeps supervision on them, and whenever required they direct them. But for this, the subordinate should be skilled, loyal, experienced, and intellectual. थ्योरीज ऑफ लीडरशिप: ट्रेड थ्योरी, यहाँ पर हम ट्रेड थ्योरी पढ़ेंगे, बिहेवियरल थ्योरी पढ़ेंगे, एंड कंटिजेंसी. ट्रेड थ्योरी अज्यूम दैट पीपल इनहेरेंट सर्टेन क्वालिटीज. लीडरशिप की कुछ क्वालिटी होती हैं जो सर्टेन जो इनहेरिटेड होती हैं टू मेक हिम बेटर सूटेड टू द लीडरशिप. सो देयर आर सर्टेन ट्रेड्स विच जो एक पर्सन लेकर के पैदा होता है, लाइक एक्सट्रोवर्जन, सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस, करेजियस. सो दीज आर द qualities which make a leader a better leader. Situational. Suppose that leader choose the best course of action based upon the situational variables. That is a situational थ्योरी इट मीन्स कि जितने भी लीडरशिप स्टाइल है लीडर चूज दैट स्टाइल ऑफ लीडरशिप विच इज बेस्ट suited to the particular situation. There is not a single type of leadership style which is suited to all the situations. No, that depends upon situation to situation. Behavioral theory of leadership are based on the belief that great leaders are made not born. This is the behavioral कि जो हमारा behavioral theory है that depends upon कि जो leaders हैं they are made not born. ऐसा नहीं है पहले हम ये बोलते थे कि leaders are born not made, but now there are certain characteristics जो अगर किसी person को सिखाई जाए then he can be a good leader. Prevailing leadership style in the organization, there are different styles that a leader has to choose, but यहाँ पर ये कहा गया है कि participative kind of leadership is the best leadership style which is suited in Indian organization. So students, this is the total gist of unit 3. Kindly go through of it as tomorrow is your sessional exam, so be ready for it and be sincere, do study and give your sessional exam with full of confidence. Okay, attempt all questions and it is good for you. All go through all 3 units, unit 3, 4, 5 notes have been provided to you. Go through it and give your best. Thanks student.